students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you a simple web page which I have created in HTML, which explains the use of list, and that list is nested, order and unordered list. You know that we have three types of list in HTML: ordered, unordered and definition list. You have to solve a 5-mark question which is coming in your exam. That question will be at the last, and two questions you have to solve. Each question has 5 marks. So one will be your C++ question and another one may be your HTML question. So this question is a very important question. It has comes once in your 12th exam. Here example of nested order and unordered list is given. So you will get a question like this. There is a list, study courses list, and we can see A and B. It is written here A and B. That means it is an ordered list. So what is the difference between an ordered list and unordered list? So ordered list may be contained 1, 2, 3, 4 or Roman numbers or alphabets like A, B, C like. And in unordered list there is no order. That means you may get the circle, the disc or square like this. So this is an unordered list and A and B is an ordered list. Now what students do? They simply create the list, but here we need to focus on that which list will get started first, and inside that where we have to put another list and where we have to close that particular list. Because this question looks very simple, but when we look the code, sometimes students close the list before they create a nested list, right? So if you are closing your main list before you have started your nested list, you are not able to create a nested list. Now let's see the code. This is my code. Here I have started with my heading, and this is OL, that is ordered list, and UL is unordered list. Many times I have seen what students do. UL means they write underline. So please, UL is not underline. US in HTML, UL in HTML is unordered list. And if you want to create underline in HTML, so simply you have to write U, only U, not UL. Okay, so UL is for unordered list and only U is for underline. Now I have written here type. So why type I have written? Type is an attribute which denotes what will come before your list. Like if I have written A here, then A will come. If I will write A1, so 1, 2, 3 will come. If I will write here just a Roman number I, simply I, then I and all the Roman numbers will be there. Here I have given circle, and here I have given disk, and here I have given square. So where I have given disk, it will come disk like this. Where I have given circle, this will come circle, and where I have given square, so you can see in my list I am getting this square. Now first observe this list. A and B is the ordered list and main list. That means we have to first start our ordered list. The second list is DSA and web technology, which comes under A. That means A part of ordered list. Now the DSA list, inside DSA we have lists like array, linked list, stack and queue, and this part will come under DSA. That means when we start our ordered list with A, so this ordered list we will close here after completion of our this part. Then only we will start another li for subject. Okay, so I will explain you in the code. First I have started my OL here and I have given the subject li. Now see, I will not close this OL, or I will not write another or means another this B part, right? I will start directly another UL, that is this one, DSA. Here I will not close this UL, even I will start another UL for this. Now first I have to start this UL, so I will close this UL, then I will start this web technologies. Afterwards I will start this unordered list. Now after starting of these lists, first list which I close is the inner one. Okay, so I will close a list after Q. Afterwards I will close HTML CSS list, and then I will close the DSA list. At last I will close this list. Means the conclusion is, first we have to open the main list, then we have to open the inner list and the inner list, and at the closing time we will close the innermost list first, afterwards the outer, and like this we will close our list. So have a look on the code once, where I have started OL first, then UL, and then I have closed this UL, and then I have started again another UL. Okay, and at the last where I have completed my code, I have closed the OL. So this was the main list, and at the end of my program I have closed it. So hope you have understood this program. In the question paper you will get a list, and exactly same list code you have to write down. So whenever you try to create this type of list, so first thing, which one is outer list, that list you have to start first. Afterwards you have to open the inner list and close the inner list first, and then close the outer list. So hope you have understood this code. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and try to create this web page and try to run this code, as it is very important for your 12th exam. Thank you so much for watching my video.